In order to get access to the integrated design schedule, you will receive an auto-generated email from the Flow system inviting you to join the project. Bear in mind that this email could be automatically redirected to your spam or junk folder. Within this invitation, navigate to the Join the Team link and open it by using either Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari Internet Browser. This will take you to a registration portal where you can input your email address and then create a password. Please note that the email should be the same as the one that the invite was sent to. Once you are registered, go to Flow's homepage and your project will be on the left-hand side. Click on it and it will take you to the project's homepage.